Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best electronic gadgets is probably one of the most exciting areas of technology. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of electronic gadgets, exploring the latest innovations and must-have devices. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your gear, we've got something for you. Get ready to discover the coolest gadgets on the market and learn how they can enhance your life. Number 5. OCOOPA HotPal 5200 mAh Rechargeable Hand Warmer. USA Today recommended this as one of the best gifts in 2022. This is a great gift for anyone who wants to keep their hands warm. Whether you're walking the dog, hunting, or camping, this is perfect for outdoor activities. It's also great for those who work in cold environments. It features double-sided fast heating with 3 temperature levels. You can choose from 95 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your needs. With a 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, it can last for hours. It also has a USB-C charging port, so you can charge your devices on the go. Made of aircraft-grade aluminum and ABS material, it's durable and anti-skid. This makes it easy to hold and use. What we like. This hand warmer heats up quickly on both sides, perfect for those chilly days. It also boasts a long-lasting battery, so you can stay warm for hours. If you're looking for a reliable and portable way to keep your hands toasty during outdoor activities or in cold environments, you should consider this. What people say. They heat up quickly and provide consistent warmth, which is perfect for chilly days. The compact design makes them easy to carry in my pocket or bag. I love that they're rechargeable, eliminating the need for disposable ones. The battery life is impressive, I can use them for several hours on a single charge. Number 4. Nelko P21 Bluetooth Label Maker. This is the new version of the Nelko Label Maker. It's smaller, smarter, and more convenient than traditional models. You can easily slip it into your pocket and print labels anytime, anywhere. This label maker uses BPA-free direct thermal technology for high-definition prints. It has a built-in rechargeable battery for long-lasting use. It prints in monochrome, but you can use color pattern label tapes for color labels. It connects to your iOS or Android phone via Bluetooth. Simply download the Nelko app, install the paper roll, and connect. The app offers over 90 fonts, 10 languages, and 450+ materials. Please note that it doesn't work with computers. The app provides various features to create custom labels. You can add text, QR codes, barcodes, images, and more. The label maker supports various fixed label sizes. Remember not to remove the green sticker on the back of the label strip. This label maker is perfect for home, office, and school use. Organize your belongings at home, label office supplies, or create name tags for school. It brings fun and convenience to your life. What we like. This label maker connects wirelessly via Bluetooth, making it super convenient. It offers high-quality printing without the need for ink or toner. If you are looking for a compact and versatile label maker for home or office organization, it's a great choice. What people say. It worked ideally for what I needed it for. The labeler uses no ink, which is great as when a tape comes out, it's dry. No smears or smudges. The clear tape is hard to see on where to peel it, but other tapes I have tried are easy to peel. The labeler is quite quick as the tapes are small and not a lot can be written on them, but seems to be the same as other comparable labelers this size. Number 3. Jteman Bluetooth Speaker Phone Stand. This innovative gadget combines a phone stand and a Bluetooth speaker. It allows you to enjoy your music and videos hands-free, while also amplifying the sound. It's a practical gift for anyone. The built-in Bluetooth speaker delivers clear and loud audio. It's especially helpful for those who need a little extra volume. This feature makes it a great choice for the elderly. This stand is designed to work with most smartphones, tablets, and e-readers. The hook can accommodate devices up to 0.59 inches thick. Please note that it is not a charging stand. You can easily adjust the angle to find the perfect viewing position. The foldable design makes it easy to carry and save space. It's a useful gadget for any desk. The stand features an anti-slip base and silicone padding to protect your device. The hook provides a stable and reliable hold. It prevents scratches and sliding. This Bluetooth speaker phone holder is a simple and practical gift. It's suitable for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful present for both men and women. What we like. This gadget combines a phone stand with a Bluetooth speaker, offering a practical two-in-one solution. It features an adjustable and foldable design for easy portability. If you like to enjoy music or videos while keeping your hands free, you should consider this. What people say. It works very well, has great sound quality, and the phone holder isn't flimsy. This little speaker packs a big sound. The holding part folds away, and it goes down relatively flat so you can store it away for travel. The part that holds the phone moves up and down and at an forward angle, which has come in handy when I needed to do something on my phone, but didn't want to have to pick it up to do it. I love that I can take this speaker, and speaker alone, and go to the farthest parts of my house with it, leaving my phone behind and still getting the same quality and sound as when the phone was right next to it. I love that when I have had it off, and turn it back on, the speaker automatically connects back to my phone, making the audiobook appear on my lock screen. No having to hunt for it, or unlocking my phone to get it. It's a quick and easy transition back to my story, which I appreciate. Number 2. Elikliv EDM4 1000X Digital Microscope. This microscope features a 4.3-inch 720p HD screen, displaying clear images in real time. The large screen enhances ergonomics and eliminates eye strain, making it comfortable to use. With a magnification range from 50x to 1000x, this allows you to see incredible details. The actual magnification may vary depending on the screen size and distance from the object. Easily connect it to your Windows or MacBook for a larger view. You can also share live images and save your findings for better analysis. It has 8 adjustable LED lights for optimal illumination. This ensures clear and detailed observations, even in low-light conditions, improving image quality. It's suitable for various applications, such as circuit board inspection and coin examination. It's a great gift for anyone interested in exploring the microscopic world. The stand allows you to adjust the distance for different magnification needs. This provides flexibility and comfort, helping you find the perfect viewing angle for clearer images. It offers up to 3 hours of continuous use. This portable design ensures extended operation, perfect for both indoor and outdoor exploration. What we like. This microscope features a crisp 4.3-foot display for clear viewing. It offers up to 1000x magnification, revealing incredible details. If you are interested in exploring the microscopic world or need a tool for detailed inspections, it's a great choice. What people say. The 4.3-inch LCD screen is a game-changer. It provides a clear and bright view of whatever you're observing, and being able to see it directly on the screen without needing to connect to a computer is so convenient. The image quality is impressive, and the adjustable magnification up to 1000x allows for a fantastic level of detail. I've been looking at everything from plant cells to tiny insects, and it's been fascinating. I also appreciate the built-in LED lights, which provide excellent illumination and are adjustable to get the perfect lighting for different specimens. The included stand is sturdy and allows for precise focusing with the smooth adjustment knob. Capturing photos and videos is also incredibly simple with the dedicated buttons. It's wonderful to be able to document my discoveries and share them with others. Number 1. OCOOPA UT3 Lite Rechargeable Hand Warmers. Introducing the OCOOPA UT3 Lite, the perfect companion for any outdoor activity. This battery-operated hand warmer is designed for everyone. Whether you're at a game or enjoying a winter walk, it keeps your hands warm. Experience instant warmth in just 5 seconds. With 3 adjustable temperature settings, it provides up to 8 hours of heat. This makes it ideal for long outings and adventures. The UT3 Lite features strong magnets for easy attachment to your coat or bag. This ensures you have warmth readily available. It's perfect for any situation where you need a little extra heat. At only 1.85 centimeters thick and 65 grams, it fits comfortably in your pocket or gloves. You'll barely notice it until you need it. It's designed for ultimate convenience. The UT3 Lite is UL certified and equipped with a safety temperature control chip. It's designed for everyday use and is a safe and reliable choice. It's the perfect addition to your winter essentials. Give the gift of warmth this winter with the OCOOPA UT3 Lite. It's ideal for anyone with cold hands. This is a thoughtful and practical gift for family and friends. What we like. This hand warmer heats up in seconds and offers multiple temperature settings. It also features magnetic attachments for convenience. If you have cold hands and need a portable, easy-to-use warmer, you should consider this. What people say. The hand warmers work very well. The battery life is amazing. They charge quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.